Let's see. Are you looking to make money online? Are you wishing you could quit your job and be free, really free? Are you looking for something real to help you take action today to start your journey to freedom? If you answered yes to this, then be sure and watch this video. This channel is to help people like you really get free. In this video, we will delve into the fastest way for teens to make money online in 2024. The focus will be on leveraging social media platforms to not only grow a following, but also to monetize that following effectively. The speaker will share their personal success story, showcasing how they utilized Instagram analytics to strategically increase their earnings. What sets this method apart is its simplicity and accessibility, making it an ideal option for teens looking to earn money online quickly and efficiently. By following the strategies outlined in this video, viewers can learn how to harness the power of social media to generate income in a way that is both practical and achievable. In this segment, we will explore the strategy of utilizing social media platforms with a specific focus on Instagram as a means to generate income effectively. One key aspect of this approach involves posting promotions for different content creators and brands, thereby creating a mutually beneficial relationship where both parties can reach a wider audience and increase their revenue streams. Throughout the discussion, examples of successful posts will be shared, highlighting the positive impact they had on both the content creator's engagement and the speaker's page growth. Additionally, common concerns surrounding copyright issues will be addressed to provide clarity on the process of reposting content legally and ethically. By understanding and implementing these strategies, viewers can learn how to leverage social media platforms like Instagram to not only showcase their own content, but also to collaborate with others in a way that is beneficial for all parties involved. In this detailed section, we will delve into the process of running promotions on Instagram and effectively monetizing reposted content. One crucial aspect of this process involves negotiating promotion deals with content creators, where mutually beneficial agreements can be reached to promote each other's content to a broader audience. The steps involved in posting promotions will be demonstrated, including setting prices for promotional posts and crafting engaging captions that drive audience engagement and conversions. By following these steps, viewers can learn how to effectively monetize their Instagram presence by leveraging promotional opportunities with other creators and brands. Furthermore, the potential for significant growth in earnings through these promotion strategies will be highlighted, showcasing how a strategic approach to collaborations and promotions can lead to increased visibility, engagement, and ultimately revenue generation on the platform. Through a combination of thoughtful negotiation, strategic posting, and engaging content creation, individuals can unlock the full potential of Instagram as a powerful tool for monetization and growth in the digital landscape. For individuals seeking to expand their online presence and generate income through social media, 3 key tips can significantly enhance their success. Firstly, it is crucial to prioritize consistent posting schedules and create algorithm-friendly content that resonates with the platform's algorithms and audience preferences. By maintaining a regular posting cadence and tailoring content to align with the platform's algorithms, individuals can increase visibility and engagement, ultimately driving growth and monetization opportunities. Secondly, Selecting viral content for reposting can amplify reach and engagement, as viral content often garners widespread attention and interaction. By strategically curating and reposting viral content that aligns with their brand or niche, individuals can capitalize on existing trends and maximize audience engagement, fostering organic growth and monetization prospects. Lastly, emphasizing the value of persistence and resilience is essential for long-term success in the competitive landscape of social media. It is crucial not to be discouraged by initial challenges or setbacks, but to persevere and adapt strategies based on feedback and data insights. By maintaining a positive mindset, staying committed to their goals, and continuously refining their approach, individuals can overcome obstacles and achieve sustainable growth and profitability on social media platforms. By incorporating these 3 key tips into their social media strategy, individuals can enhance their online presence, attract a larger audience, and unlock the potential for monetization and success in the dynamic realm of social media marketing. In conclusion, the main points discussed revolve around the effective utilization of social media platforms, particularly Instagram, as a powerful tool for making money online. By focusing on growing a following, leveraging promotions, and reposting viral content, individuals can unlock opportunities for monetization and growth. The benefits of this method include increased visibility, engagement, and revenue potential, making it an attractive option for those looking to establish a successful online presence. Viewers are encouraged to explore further resources or coaching opportunities to deepen their understanding and refine their strategies for online success. By taking proactive steps to apply the tips shared in this video, viewers can kickstart their journey towards online success and financial independence. It is essential to take action, stay persistent, and adapt to the evolving landscape of social media to maximize opportunities for growth and profitability. By embracing these principles and committing to their goals, viewers can position themselves for success in the dynamic world of online entrepreneurship. But first, you are probably asking how. Is there a step-by-step guide that will help me do this? The answer is yes. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, this course is your ticket to success. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. Click the link below in the description to get started on your new journey today. If you found this valuable and want more information and help like this, please subscribe and like this video. I have loads of videos coming that you do not want to miss. I want to bless you on your journey to financial freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Thanks for watching. I want to see you build your spend power through wealth ideas. Remember, this is your time. Today is your day to start. Take action now.